Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to unblock people on Instagram that blocked you. So if you couldn't find their profile, here is exactly how you can find their profile and unblock them without even them knowing that if that's what you want. Now, what you want to do guys to unblock someone that blocked you on Instagram, you want to create a new account on your Instagram. You don't even have to have another phone. You can just add a new account on your own Instagram and you can switch between them just because we want. Or go tell your friend that please copy the link of their profile and send it to me. Here is how it looks. Let me show you. I'm going to show you guys a solution for this. Just keep watching. Now I'm going to search for the profile that blocked me, for the person that blocked me. As you can see here, guys, I couldn't find their profile in the search results. Now, what I am going to do, guys, I am going to switch to my another account that I have created for this. Now, I'm going to search for that username. As you can see here in the top, I can see their profile because this account didn't block this account, this new account didn't block it. Now, what I am going to do, guys, to unblock this person, I'm going to click three little dots in the top right, okay, and then click copy profile aerial. As you can see here, it says here copy profile. Click on copy profile. Now you want to switch to your own original account that this person blocked, okay. I'm going to switch to the account. As you can see here, guys, I'm going to show you guys again. When I search for that username, I don't see the profile in the search result because they blocked this account. Now what I'm going to do, guys, to unblock this person, now we have copied the link of their profile. Now go to your browser, okay, and search and paste, click 2 times and paste their profile link here and then click go. As you can see here, guys, this say here switch to the app, okay. You want to click on switch to the app. Now, as you can see, click on switch to the app and it will take you directly. As you can see, this is their profile. They blocked me. As you can see, no posts yet. Now you can click 3 little dots in the top right and you can unblock this person if you want, okay. You can unblock this person if you want. So that's exactly the best solution for this. So hopefully, guys, this video helped you. Or you can go and like tell your friends to search for that username and tell them that to copy the link and then send it to you via WhatsApp or Instagram, and then you can just paste that link on Google like this and it will take you directly to their profile. After that, you want to click on switch to the app. As you can see, this blue, and it will take you directly to their profile on the account that you have blocked. That blocked on the account that this person blocked you, okay. So that's exactly, hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, please drop a like and subscribe.